Your favorite Apple devices are elegant and powerful, but unlocking their full potential means adding a keyboard and trackpad, a combination that quickly feels overpriced. Here's something just as productive and efficient, but with a smarter price. Meet CLVX1, a first-in-class 3-in-1 solution that combines a quiet, low-profile scissor switch keyboard featuring perky RGB backlight with a massive, high-precision multi-touch touchpad. It's sleek, it's convenient, its functionality fully matches all the features of Apple's Magic Trackpad. It switches from keyboard to touchpad seamlessly, and it offers a mighty range of fully customizable settings available for editing through the dedicated Touch on Keys app. If you're looking for full-scale gesture control, you'll enjoy a new level of comfort and possibilities. If you work with media content, CLVX1 will boost your performance in graphics and video editing with 2 adjustable controllers. If you work with code, you'll forget about switching from keyboard to mouse and back, concentrating all your effort around the keyboard center. And if you're a geek like us, you'll appreciate the ins and outs of the Touch on Keys technology that lies at the core of CLVX1. All this comes at just $179 for a super early pledge, which means you get 3 different solutions for the price of one.